Alright guys, I just wanted to do a quick review on my Mighty X Kinesiology Tape. It's these right here. They come in 3 packs and in different colors. So you can see some of the variation of colors. This is probably some of the best like nylon style tape out there. I usually like to apply either to my shoulder area or preferably on my knees. And the cool thing is that you literally cut it to size. So let me show you this one right here. That's what I really like. So like as long as you need it, like you can, like if you want to do 2 large strips or smaller strips, you can definitely do that. The one thing that I actually also like about them is that they provide, I think it's up to like 50 video tutorials on how to properly apply it. Because if you're like, I was new to it too, so like when I was trying to learn how to do it, it was just easier to watch the videos and then do it that way. It is 100% waterproof, so if you're looking for some good, reliable kinesiology tape, this one by Mighty X, one that I recommend, 10 out of 10.